Got an idea? Are you an expert at something? How about turning what you already know into cash? That's right. I'm going to show you how you can turn your knowledge or expertise into a cash-making machine. And even if you don't consider yourself an expert, that shouldn't stop you from doing this, because I'm sure you know of at least a friend or two who are experts at something, and you can leverage on them to create a sellable product on the internet that makes money hand over fist. According to a study by Cogital, in the last 3 months, 65.5% of internet users surveyed use the internet to gather information about services or products, and 65.9% gathered information on health issues. So are people looking for information online? You already know that. But here's where it gets more interesting. Lynda.com, an American online education company offering thousands of video courses in software, creative, and business skills, was acquired by Microsoft for a whopping $26.2 billion. JVZoo, the fastest-growing marketplace for digital products, raked in $50 million in sales within its first 4 years online. I could name more examples, but the question is there money to be made in selling information? You bet! That's why I am announcing the Expert Content Videos. Expert Content Videos is a collection of 30 on-screen, step-by-step video tutorials on how to turn your expertise and knowledge into a sellable, profitable product. This is exactly what top online marketers, experts, and gurus are doing and have been doing for years. With this, there's nothing to second-guess or figure out. Pick your favorite product format and just follow. This works for coaches, trainers, speakers, consultants, authors, teachers, bloggers. As long as you have a skill or knowledge people are willing to pay for, and you haven't productized your knowledge just yet, then this is for you. And like I've said, even if you don't consider yourself an expert, there are many other experts out there you can do a joint venture with and offer to work with them. Finally, you get a proven, tried, and tested blueprint to productize your knowledge or even other people's and create a massive income stream through the internet. And the best part is, this can run without you and continue to make money for you even while you sleep. Quite unlike how you have to trade your time for money actively as a consultant or coach.